Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rituparna and in today's vlog, as you've read from the title, we are doing a staycation here at Taj Resort and Surajkund. Honestly, this is a really cool property. Until now, we haven't done much. We've just had our lunch and all, and we traveled to this place, which is divine. The drive from Surajkund to here is really divine. So first, let's go through those shots.
Flashback.
Snapshot of what all we did till now, but we have just checked into our room and the view from our room is insane. For full transparency, I got a voucher from Amex, so I'll talk about this in some other video, what kind of travel cards and all I use. But yeah, I basically use the Amex travel card and I used that and met this minimum spend limit, and that's how I scored a voucher, which is a 10,000 rupee voucher. I'll explain to you in some time how you can book this kind of property using those vouchers and all, but for now let me give you a quick room tour. So here, let's go. That's where you enter the room from, and right over here is the closet. Let me open it for you. Next is the washroom, which has a bathtub also. That's how I booked this room, I needed a bathtub. And a cool shower area, place to do your business, a lot of amenities over here. And also something cool about Taj properties are they give you 4 essential stuff, which is very expensive. So let's move on to this section, which has all the luggage area, the mini fridge if I'm not wrong, and the tea and coffee situation. To the room, here is the king size bed, 2 side tables with beautiful lampshades. Here is this really huge TV which Shashwat is trying to figure out since a long time, and some lilies. Also a very cool place to do your work and stuff, and a couch. And that's the view, guys. Wow, so beautiful. And here is the pool side view that we've got. Really amazing. The plan of action is to just chill for some time and probably figure out the spa thing, like how to book it and all, and what all options they have, and chill, because that's the whole point of a staycation. So I'll see you after some time.
A few moments later.
Guys, so it's been a few hours, not a lot but a few hours, and I've changed into a pair of shorts. The top is still the same, and room bhi thoda bahut humne barbaad kar diya hai. So now the plan of action is to get a spa therapy. Honestly, I enjoy spas a lot, but they're super expensive, and yeah, they burn a hole in your pocket. So only when there's some sort of special occasion or we are at a staycation or something, we tend to do that. The last one, I think so, a proper spa that we took was back in Goa last year, and here we are again going for a spa therapy and stuff. I would be completely honest, is extremely expensive, plus tax bhi lag jata hai uske upar. But I think once in a while you can really give such kind of experiences to yourself. And yeah, that's the plan of action. Get a 1.5 hour spa experience and relax the mind, the body, and calm ourselves down. So let's go. We just got done with our spa and everything, and we have to wait for an hour to take a shower. I don't think we're going to wait that long because it's going to be dinner and then we need to do other stuff also, like chill. So yeah, right now we are sitting at the pool. It's full of people, so I don't really want to shove my camera on their faces and stuff. That's the view behind. It's really a very cool and chill evening. So yeah, we're gonna sit here for some time, chill, and then head to our room and shower.
Later that same evening.
Oh my god, guys, we just got back to our room and we got this cute cake for us. Oh my god, so basically while I was booking the room, I think it's better if I face the camera and then tell the story. While I was booking the room, they asked us if we have any special requests or any special reasons why we are coming for a staycation. And I mentioned that Shashwat and I, we just completed 6 months of our marriage. And oh my god, they got us a cake. It is, what's written? Congratulations. Thank you, Taj Hotels, for doing this. It's so special. So we're gonna have this really yummy cake and then go take a shower. Hi you guys, so it's after some time and we have showered and stuff and also have changed into a cute dress. Now the plan of action is to have some great dinner, but let's see what we're gonna have and which restaurant. So come along with me and explore Taj a little more. Hey you guys, we are back from dinner and as you can see I've already changed into my night suit and also done my skincare and everything. Now we're gonna watch a criminal movie or something like that. Shashwat put something on the TV and you can hear it in the background as well. That's what we're gonna do and probably sleep off because now I'm tired and I want to wake up in the morning, probably just enjoy the view and stuff. Not really sure what to do and I also have some work to finish, so yeah, that's gonna happen. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
The next morning.
Hi you guys, good morning. It's the next day, also officially the last day of our staycation because we're gonna be checking out today. I just woke up and I look like this. Yeah, but I'm gonna get ready for breakfast now and then we'll just roam around the property, maybe chill at the pool, or do some work. Let's see. You guys just got done with breakfast and now we're gonna just chill in the room. We were sitting for like 5-10 minutes outside and it was really peaceful. We spotted so many birds. You saw that in the previous clips and all, but now we're just gonna chill. I don't know, I feel like getting some other treatments done as well, but I'm not really sure. So something I'm still thinking about because we still have an hour and a half to kill over here, but yeah, it was so fun.
1 hour later.
Hi you guys, so it's been an hour since my last update to you all, but we have packed our bags and stuff. It's going to be 12 in some time and we need to check out from this property. Honestly, our stay has been so good. Shashwat is still watching the TV. I'm just taking in the perks of a big screen and stuff, but yeah, it was fun. Now the plan of action is to head home or we might go and do some shopping. I don't know, I have a few things which I've got on my birthday, so I need to redeem all those vouchers and the cash that I got. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and if you did, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. There are more fun things coming your way because we just were booking tickets for our next adventure. It's going to be a very small weekend adventure, but with our jobs it's kind of difficult to do long-term stuff after we pulled off Spain and Thailand. But yeah, that's the plan of action, so you stay tuned for some more fun vlogs. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.